Assalamu alaikum guys. You are watching the Ilm for You channel, and this is my first video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video, and don't forget to touch the bell icon. So we start the topic: introduction to biology. First of all, we define biology. The root word biology is derived from two words that are Greek. First is bios, and second is logos. These two words have different two meanings. Bios, life, and logos, study of. And another, we can say that the logos means thinking and getting reason. So we will read in next step the man and other living organisms. To understand the nature, this is necessary to read the structures, functions, structures, functions, and other aspects of living organisms. So we define it in a systematic way that the biology biology is the study of living organisms, or we can say that study of life. This is a broad concept. Okay guys, this is my first video. Please subscribe my channel and get the every latest video from my channel Ilm for You. Thank you for giving precious time.